Good evening and welcome, viewers. Good to see you again. First of all, viewers, I'm so grateful for your constant stream of messages of support, which have just not stopped coming. The police didn't let me have my phone yesterday for most times. They took my phone away. So I couldn't access my phones while the interrogation was on. So I couldn't reply to so many of you. And to all of you who have been writing and asking whether I'm fine, well, absolutely I am. I'm absolutely fine. I have just one regret, and that is that because of the 12-hour plus interrogation which went on non-stop at the Mumbai police station yesterday, I was stopped by the Mumbai police. So let's place this on record. I was stopped by the Mumbai police from being with the viewers of Republic Bharat at 7 p.m. and from being with you at 9 p.m. I have made it clear to the police that I have stood by the truth. And viewers, none of us will budge an inch. And I'm willing to go to the police station 1,000 more times if Sonia Gandhi ends her silence on Palghar once. And as far as the Palghar investigation, which we are debating at 10 p.m. tonight, believe me, viewers, let's believe ourselves. The truth is going to come out. Sonia Gandhi, listen to me loud and clear. And don't worry, the truth will come out. And all of us are very grateful to you, viewers, at a personal level, all of us at the Republic Network, for your love and warmth and affection and for standing by us. It really means a lot. So thank you. Now, viewers, let's start on COVID. There are about 30,000 cases in India now. And there are, as of now, 22,000 active cases. There are about 1,500 fresh cases in the last 24 hours. Frankly, I just cannot see how we can suddenly lift the lockdown in 5 or 6 days. We must not. There is progress, but I genuinely fear that if we lift the lockdown, things will get much worse. And I'm no medical expert. And this is not a popular statement I'm going to make about extending the lockdown. And I'm absolutely sure that it's the government which will take a considered view on this. But I cannot but help observe as a citizen, as a journalist, that this lockdown needs to carry on a little longer till we begin to see visible success. And I know that I'm upsetting some of you when I say this. And I can completely understand, and I truly empathize with lockdown fatigue. We all have it. There is something called lockdown fatigue. But then we have no option. We have to carry on. There are states where the situation is still very bad, like Maharashtra. Mumbai is terrible. And then there are places like Bengal. God knows what Mamata is doing. Shocking new facts emerge every single day, indicating a cover-up. So I ask you all one simple question today. Do you have the resilience to hang in for a little longer? Can you hang in for a little longer? I can. But what about you? Let's make this a conversation between both of us on both sides. That's what I look on at the start of the program today. Extending the lockdown.